Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you're new to my channel, please one, subscribe, two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. All right. Our lesson for today is how to measure the length of a segment. And this is for quarter T, Mathematics 7, and this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. In the figure below here, or we have I is a line containing the points A, B, and C. In what degree of measure is A located with reference to the ruler? And how about B? Can you determine the distance between A and B and C? Okay, here. So we have, if we are going to get the ruler here, A is 1 and B is 3 and C is 6. So if you're going to determine the distance between A to B, so that is 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. And of course, B to C is also 6 or 5 minus 3. No? So 5 minus 3 is equals to um, 2. So that means the distance between A to Z, if we're going to take it, that is 5 minus 1, that is a 4. Okay? So that's just easy how to get the distance of a. But we have the ruler postulate. So in points in a line, or the points in the line can be matched 1 to 1 with real numbers in such a way that to every point in the line there corresponds exactly one real number called its coordinate. To every real number, there corresponds exactly one point in the line, and the distance between 2 points is equal to the absolute value of the difference of their coordinates. Then we have here coordinate. So the real number that corresponds to a point, no, that's what we call coordinate. And A and B are names for the point, like this, no? So we have x sub 1 and x sub 2. So the coordinate of A is x sub 1 and the coordinate of B is x sub 2. X sub 1 and x sub 2 are coordinate points. Yes, so that's what I said. So this is the distance formula, no? So the distance AB between 2 points A and B with coordinates A and B respectively is given by the absolute value A minus B or B minus A. Okay, so we have here, all right, so we have the line with the coordinates of x sub 1 and x sub 2. So the length of AB can be found by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. The symbol for the length is this one. So we have AB, or the line, or the segment AB is also a segment AB. All right, so let's have example. Find AB. So let's get to find the distance between A to B. Point A is 1.5 and B is uh, 5, no? So something like that. Okay, so AB, we're going to 5 minus 1.5 is equals to 3.5. Right, that's it. Okay, then between. What is the word between? When 3 points are on a line, one of them is between 2 points or between the other two. So B is between A and C. Okay? Then, example is Alex between Ty and Josh. Yes, they are in between. Okay? How about now? Is they are still in between? No, but why not? In order for a point to be between two others, all 3 points must be collinear, or that means they must belong to a single line. Okay? Right, so measure of a line segment. So let's see. The measure of a segment is the distance between the 2 points. It is written as AB with no segment over the letters. Okay, so we have the postulate, a statement that is accepted true without proof, of course. So if it is a postulate, you can there is no other thing that you would is already accepted as true, no? Okay, so we have postulates, 5 segment attitude addition postulate for a segment, no? So if B is between A and C, then AB plus BC is equals to AC. So if you're going to add this, AB plus BC is equals to AC, right? And if AB plus BC is equals to AC, then B is between A and C, of course. Now, for example, we have here, if DE no, is 2, and EF and DE is equals to FG, find FG, DF, DG, and EG. Okay, so we have here the given, FG is equals to 2, DF is equals to 7, DG is equals to 9, and EG is equals to 7. Okay, so this symbol is what we call congruent. 9. Segments that have the same length. If AB and XY have the same length, then AB or segment AB is equals to segment Y. But AB, no, or segment AB and segment BY are congruent. So there is no need to equal, because in geometry we're using already congruency. No, it means also equal, but it's different from algebra. Okay, but the meaning is the same. Yeah, that's the symbol for the. All right. Okay, so let's get the distance. Okay, so let's compute the distance between this one is absolute value. So -6. For example, the distance between B and J, no? So J is -6. So Vj, we can say that -6 minus -4. Right? So if we're going to solve that, that is the absolute value of -6 plus 4. Okay, and that is -6 plus 4 is -2. That means the distance between the two is 2, no? Between BJ, or point B and point G is a 2. Okay, so that is how to get the distance. For example, what about the distance between K and H? Okay, so if we are going to get the distance from K to H, so that is, um, we have -2 minus 6. Okay, so that means absolute value of -2 plus -6 is -8. Right? So therefore, the distance between the point K and point H is 8. Okay, so it's 8. No? Okay, so distance is always a positive. How about the distance between J and F? For example, JF, okay? So from point G to point F, so we got absolute value of -4 minus f is 2, no? So therefore, we have the absolute value of -6. Okay, so the answer is 6. So the distance between point J and point F is equals to 6. Okay, right. So for sure, you know already how to get or how to measure the distance or the line segment. Okay, the measure of a line segment. Okay, so you can explore using this. Okay, then we have a values integration. The measure of God's love is that He loves without measure. So, si di ba, syempre, ang Panginoon naman, no? For God so loved the world and He gave His only begotten Son from John 3:16. Okay? So, His love is everlasting. He loves everyone without measure. Now, this is a question. In your daily life, have you ever thought how much God loves you? I'm, I'm sure you do. Okay? So, let us forget that life sa gitna ng buhay natin ngayon, especially in the inset, no, or yung patapos na yung pandemic at naranasan na natin yung iba't ibang emosyon, magpapasalamat pa rin tayo sa Panginoon sapagkat sa, He has this, no? Sa ngayon naman, Philippines is already alert level 1 and everybody is open to go out, but for sure, we should have to practice social distancing and everything. Okay? So, we should thank God for everything because He loves us without measure. For questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. And before I go, don't forget to like, alright, so remember, gratitude is the best attitude. And please share. And don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. And of course, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I love you, everyone, especially to all my loyal Barcadas, Organic Barcadas, YT's International, and the Team Solid family, and my new Fidesz friends. Thank you. Bye bye, everyone. Love you all, especially to all my students. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Bye bye. Love you all. See you around.